Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today's pattern is called a extended mesh. It's a little bit of a continuous what I did last video about the extended single crochet. The extended single crochet is included in the extended mesh and I will show you how that is done. The extended mesh pattern is great for vests, a little bag, to put your cosmetic in, or just a little bag when you go to the beach, because it does look like a mesh fabric. To make this crochet pattern, I'm going to use my 4 weight medium yarn with a 4mm crochet. You first start off with a slip knot. The foundation chain needs to be an odd number, so I'm going to do 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that I have my 19, we're going to turn. And what we need to do is we need to skip 5 back bumps. The reason being is we're going to start off with a extended single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 on the 5th one, into the back bump, yarn over, pull through to start your single crochet, yarn over, pull through the first loop to do the extension, and then yarn over and pull through to complete your single crochet. Once the single crochet is complete, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to skip a back bump, go into the next back bump, and you're going to start over. You do an extended single crochet, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop as well to create that extension, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops to finish off the single crochet, and then add a chain. You skip a stitch or a back bump, go into the next one and do the same thing. And continue till the end. Your first row should look like this. If you noticed, so where the big holes are, this is your space, chain 1 space that you made. The single crochet has like a little triangle of a space, like this. So this is important because once you turn, you need to know exactly where you're going to put your hook into. Let me just show you. You need to chain 3 to turn. 1, 2, 3, and then you turn your work. So you need to skip the first chain 1 space. The first chain 1 space is the big hole. This is the chain 1 space. So you skip this, and then you're going to do a extended single crochet into the next stitch. So this is our next stitch. This is where the little I was talking to you about, it looks like a little triangle. See that right there? So you're going to do an extended single crochet. So yarn over, pull through. This starts your single crochet. Yarn over, pull through first loop for the extension, and yarn over, pull through to close the single crochet. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to go into the next stitch. You're going to bypass this chain 1 space and go to the next stitch, and you're going to start over. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through first loop to create the extension, yarn over, pull through both to close the single crochet, and you chain 1, skip, chain 1 space, go into the next space, and you do another extended single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and it's all yarn over, pull throughs. Okay, let me just give you a little bit more explanation one more time. Skip, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through to start your single crochet, yarn over, pull through 1 loop to extend your single crochet, yarn over, pull through both loops to close the single crochet, yarn over, pull through to create the chain, and you continue like this till the end. And then once you've reached this, you need to do another extended single crochet into this T chain. It's called a T chain. And this is 2 rows completed, and you turn. You do the same thing, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and you start over. You bypass, you skip chain 1 space, you go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through to extend 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops to close the single crochet, chain 1, and then bypass chain 1 and go into the next stitch, and you continue until the end of the row, and you repeat this as much as you want, and this is what it's going to give you. See how nice this looks. And again, this is meshed. It's a little bit harder, or it's a little bit, you need to concentrate a little bit more than the previous pattern that I showed you last time, but it's still very pretty. It has its own uses. So there you go. So this is our extended mesh. I hope they enjoyed this tutorial. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.